In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the time on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down and tap Add General. That's where you can easily find date and time. And that's where, first off, we can change time format from 24-hour to 12-hour by toggling on or off that switcher. And down below here, we can change the time by changing time zone. However, now for some reason, these options are grayed out and we can't interact with them. Now I'm going to show you how to fix that. To fix that issue, we need to head over back to Settings, then tap at Screen Time, then get into Content and Privacy Restrictions. First off, we need to turn off that option. It will ask you to enter Screen Time passcode to turn this option off. And then also we need to turn off Screen Time passcode. To do that, tap right here and then select Turn off Screen Time passcode. Enter it one more time to confirm it. And then we can go back to General, then Date and Time. And then we'll be able to select different time zone. Now it is set to Moscow. However, now we can first off turn off set automatically. And then we'll be able to select any time zone. We can just enter a time zone here. And then once we select it, it will change our time on the entire device. Also in here we can change date by selecting any date from that calendar. Once it is done, just go out of here. If later on you decide to set time automatically again, just head over to Date and Time and turn on that switcher. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.